Alright, what is going on, guys? This video kind of sucks to make because I'm kind of a little disappointed, but let's go ahead and talk about it. Let me open the garage door real quick. Let me go ahead and pull the car out so you guys can see everything. So yesterday, I went to go get my TrackSpec Motorsports Vents, the center GT4 vent installed. And the first problem that we kind of ran into yesterday, I was wanting to move the vent towards the rear of the car, towards the rear of the actual hood. And that was the problem because of the way they designed the vent to cut into the hood. So it had to be installed towards the front end of the car. The way the hood skin worked and the way it connected to the hood, it required to be 15.5 inches from the front of the hood. So we couldn't move it towards the back a little bit, just the way the hood skin was designed. So if you look here, the actual vent clear, the Whipple, it had to be really heavily modified and chopped up to fit. I'm just not a fan of it. And I'm not a fan of, even let's say it cleared, right? I'm just not a fan of how it looks. I don't really want to spend any more money on getting it fixed. And getting it fixed and touched up to where it would actually clear properly. It looks alright, but I'll show you guys what it looks like underneath. There just really wasn't much information about this setup going around. A few guys installed it, but most of the guys that installed this didn't really have a heavily modified car. It was just basic bolt-on type cars. Pretty clean cuts underneath. SSR Collision did an excellent job of actually cutting the hood. Power Lab did the side vents. I mean, it looks absolutely wonderful underneath. It looks great. The only problem is it just doesn't clear that. It sucks, but it is what it is. Like currently I don't have a hood, an extra hood to put on the car. I don't really want to drive around the car that much just because I don't want any type of vibration to really start rubbing into the actual Whipple itself. If you guys see, if I shut the hood, it's very, very close. I just don't want to deal with it anymore. So that's kind of the whole story. That's kind of what happened. You know, it sucks, but it is what it is. You know, wheels look good though. So I'm kind of hitting the drawing board on what I want to do as far as a hood goes. But for now, I'm probably not going to be driving my car. I don't really want another stock hood. So the car's probably going to sit for a little bit until I figure out an aftermarket hood. And go from there, because if I get a fiberglass hood, I'm going to have to go take it in for paint. It's going to cost more money. If I get a carbon fiber hood, I'm going to have to get it clear coated, so that's going to cost more money. So I'm looking at close to probably about maybe $1,000 at least if I get a good deal on an aftermarket fiberglass hood, or I'm looking at close to $2,000 for a carbon fiber hood. So, you know, it is what it is. We've still got some time before Mustang Week. A couple months, so I'm gonna take a look at everything, see what I want, and really make the decision I want to make. I don't really want another Cervini's hood. It's nothing against Cervini's. I've had them all. I bought 2 stalker hoods. I bought one locally, and I had one you know, from Cervini's. I liked it. I just want something different. So there is a carbon fiber hood that I'm eyeing. I don't know, we'll see. But thanks for tuning in, and I hope this kind of clears up any questions. Thanks, guys. Bye.